Hello lovely people, welcome to this kick-up series. Today we are closing the second leg in our kick-ups. So we've built our base, we've got our steady rhythm, we are able to do the half kick up and come back down predictably, always the same way. Then you are ready to close the second leg against the line you set with your first leg. So we have here again shoulders over the wrists, round back, properly bend the leg and push off and set the line here with your first leg, and then you close against that leg. That's what's going to happen. It's really very useful to have a moment of suspension already in your half kick up before you close the second leg. Sometimes, if your mobility is not quite good enough, you really need to drive that second leg quite strongly. And you also need to give another impulse with your core. So if that happens, then you need 3 points where you do a little crunch, engagement of the core to get up there. So that's as you set the hands on the floor, as you jump off, and as you close the leg. So that's 3 times really engaging the core. So that's push, push, push. So that's 3 times stomach towards the spine. Push, push, and push. Now in the second part of the kick up, as we go to the full handstand, we have to open our shoulders. So there are 2 shoulder positions that we pass in this kick up. I've explained to you in the second episode how we have to push here, so that's pushing to the front. Now as we go to our straight handstand, we have to open the shoulders. So just do this movement together with me here to just understand what's happening. You've got your shoulders here in front of you, round back, you're pushing the shoulders to the front, and then you have to keep the arms here very straight as you push your hands back and slightly pull the shoulder blades together while keeping your core engagement. Yeah, so opening the shoulders does not mean that we open the chest. That's very often what happens, and that's what happens in our banana handstands. Now, if your shoulders are not fully open, then you encounter a first big obstacle here, because it's very, very hard to do this quickly, right? Because we have to do this fast. It's push and open. Goes very fast in the kick up. So if you just watch the action of my shoulders here, it's round and open. You see, it's round and open. And we have to pass these 2 stages. If your shoulders are quite tight, you have to actively open. So opening means pushing the shoulders up and back. It doesn't mean leaning into the shoulders. I have a few really good videos for you how to practice handstands if your shoulders are not fully open yet, and also one about how to practice this kick up if your shoulders are still very closed. I'm going to put these links in the description box below. And for this session, I will leave you with the key exercise to not forget everything we did in the past 3 episodes, stack the handstand properly, close the second leg, drive it against your first leg, and add a third core engagement. With the wall, it's going to look like this. Touch and touch. So as I swing the first leg, I already drive my second leg up. Film yourself from the side and analyze your position. You have all the tools. Really try to look at what is happening in your body and try to understand it, and then you piece it together. What we don't want is straight back here in the moment of the kick up, or any bent legs, or moving too far front in your kick up. I'm going to leave you with these exercises, and thank you again for practicing with me. I see you in the next session.